They put the road through the field and we can use those roads. Now we can use that road right out to the highway, so that's good.
Some of our farmers have actually really enjoyed having that road right there for getting that crop out of their field and onto a farm to market road.
You got to get the crop in and out of the field, and these wagons have gotten lots bigger. With them access roads, you use those and you don't get the compaction. You can get your crop out of the field and you aren't destroying the field, and then you get paid for the road besides.
They get to use the access roads for their farm work. Most of them just love it, and they get paid for that access road.
Building the roads is really helpful. It actually helps you like getting quicker to the ranch.
Well, the access roads in most cases are level with the field, so it's a very convenient transition from the field to the road, so we use them a lot. It's a real benefit to us in the fall.
It benefits the farmers too. We're able to use the access roads in and out. We're able to keep going when other guys, can't, because they have no way to get the stuff out of the field.
The stone access roads that they put in to get back to access or work on the turbines, a lot of the guys love them because they can, leave their machinery parked back there. They can park their semis back there and they're harvesting instead of parking them on the road. They say the roads are real beneficial.
We maintain all the access roads, keep them in shape.
The road had a lot of value to us.